Hey guys, this is how to fix myQ app not working. So guys, watch till the end as I discuss multiple solutions. And for Apple users, I will show step-by-step guide on the left side of the screen. So now, first thing that you will do is just simply go to the Google Play Store. And after that, just simply tap on search at the bottom. And now just simply tap on the search bar at the top and search for the application, which is myQ. And from here, just simply tap on it and tap on the three dots on the top right corner and make sure to enable the auto update. And guys, when there is an update, instead of open, you should be able to see here update. So now, the second solution is just simply go to the settings into your device. And after that, just simply scroll down and go for the apps. And now from here, just simply tap on the search at the top right and search for the app. Now just simply tap on it. And after that, just simply tap on storage and make sure to tap on clear cache and you should be able to fix the issue. Now, if it still doesn't, just simply go back over here and just simply tap on the clear data and tap on OK, and you should be able to fix it. Now, the last solution that you might want to consider is just simply tap on the back on the top left and just simply go to the uninstall over here at the bottom and tap on OK. And now just simply go back to the Google Play Store, guys, and just simply install it back again into your device. And from there, you should be able to fix the issue. There you go. If you have any question, just simply comment down below, guys. So I'll make sure to answer all of them. And thanks for watching.